Hello students, how are you all? So this is the second part of the length chapter. Till now we have discussed we have done the revision, what we have studied in class 1. This is all we have revisioned, and we have measured the length also by the hand, span, paces, cubit. Okay, and we have done the exercise of the pipe also. This much we have already done. Now we will come to the exercises. So this is what the exercises. Fill in the blanks first of all. So there is a pencil. So we have to measure it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is a length of the pencil, that is 7. So now we will do with the another one. So here we will be writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll be writing here 7. Okay. So likewise, there's a hockey stick is lollipops long. How many lollipops? That is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we'll be writing here 5 lollipops. So now again we will come to here. There is a wall. The wall is dash pots high. So how many pots do you see? Yes, students, 4 pots. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So we'll be writing here 4 pots. So now again, there you can see a brick. So in this also we'll be writing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so the brick is dash nails long. So how many nails we can see here? That is 5. So we'll be writing here 5. Okay. So now we can see here is a building and there are some questions. So let's solve it. So 1, 2, 3, there is a drums over here we can see, and according to it, the building is being measured. So now we will solve it like this. We have a building. These 3 floors are of equal height. So students, the floors of the building are of equal height. The distance between A and B is itna drums. So how many drums do you see? 1, 2, 3. So students will be writing here 3 drums. Okay. Then distance between B and C is dash drums, and distance between D and C is dash. So as we can put it over here, so how many drums will come? Because they are of equal height, that means 3 drums. So we'll be writing here 3 also, and C and D again, yes, 3 drums. Okay. So again now we'll do the distance between A and C is. So from A and C, okay, this much we have to calculate. So 3 plus 6. So here we will be writing here 3. So when we'll do the plus, so that comes 6 drums. Okay, students. So now we'll do the another one. Distance between A and D. So students, we have to find out the distance between A and D. So likewise, that is A and that is D. So they are all floors are of equal length. So we will be writing here 3. Okay. So when we'll plus all these digits, that comes 9. Okay. This is how we have to do it. So the building is 9 drums high. The answer is here. So again, in this also we can see the 3 bicycle in each columns. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. So the distance between pole A and pole B is, so A and B. So how many bicycle are there? That means 3 bicycle. So we'll be writing here 3. Okay. Then distance between C and D. Again, there are 3 cycles. Here we'll be writing here 3 cycles. Then distance between C and D. Again, there is C 3. So we'll be writing here 3. Okay. Distance between A and C is, so that means we have to, in every column there are 3 cycles. So we'll be writing here 3 and 3. So then how many cycles are there? That means 3 plus 3, yes, 6. So we have 6 cycles. So now distance between pole A to D. So now we have to calculate all the 3 poles. So in each pole there are 3 cycles. So we will be writing here 3, 3 and 3. Okay. So then comes 9.